Hello guys, so magkakaroon tayo ng Pinoy Forged in Fire. The idea came up pagkatapos nating bisitahin yung shrine ni Andres Bonifacio, and kasabay nito yung National Heroes Day ng 2023. So nag-gather tayo ng mga participants from Region CAR, Region 2, may Region 4, 5, Region 11, 10. So Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao po yan. We cannot gather them together in one place, so we need to do it virtually. So the judgment would be on the physical. Papadala nila sa atin yung blades na tatapusin nila. The blade profile would be the Andres Bonifacio Bolo. We try to resurrect that type of bolo. Dalawa po yung klase niya, yung patulis at saka yung Sinan Bartolome. So the Panday need to choose which profile they are going to build with the specification of 10 to 12 inches long yung blade, tapos 5 to 6 inches yung handle, and dapat may scabbard na rin siya for safety measures and para maipadala nila sa atin. So pagdating dito sa atin, we're going to have a strength test, sharpness test, and we're going to judge the blades overall, yung ganda niya, yung resemblance niya sa bolo ni Jose Rizal. So ganito kasi yung dalawang klase, papakita natin dalawa. Ito yung dalawang klase ng blade ni Andres Bonifacio, I should say, na kanilang totularan. So here is the 5 first participants who sent their work in progress. So antay natin, meron 5 ulit na kasunod dito. Bali 10 kasi sila. So shout out, thank you sa mga nag-sponsors sa kanilang cash prizes, and look out kasi yung mga blade entries na ito will be posted in our page for sale after it has been subject to tests. So kung interesado tayo, pwede tayong bumili. So these are the 5 participants.